Are you trying to find the best Wi-Fi routers? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best Wi-Fi routers. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The Google Nest Wi-Fi gives you whole home connectivity together with the advantages of Google Assistant, wherever you are in your home. It does this by fusing a top-notch mesh Wi-Fi router with a smart home speaker. Even though they lack Wi-Fi 6, they are equipped with Bluetooth and 802.15.4 thread mesh networking to effectively communicate with low-power home automation devices. We appreciated that each satellite was small and unobtrusive so it wouldn't seem out of place on a bookshelf, even though the Nest Wi overall Fi speed isn't the best among mesh routers. Overall, for the money, this is a fantastic little mesh Wi-Fi system. Number 2. A dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router with entry-level features. The TP-Link Archer AX21 can offer top 5 GHz band rates of up to 201 Mbps. In our tests, it wasn't very sophisticated, but it provided small to medium-sized households with nearly faultless performance. Thanks to TP Tether Links app, it's also quite simple to set up and use. The AX21 outperformed similarly sized routers from brands like Asus and Netgear in comparison tests, outperforming them all with quicker download speeds, greater range, and low latency. With the addition of a functional band steering mode, guest network management, and even a quality of service engine for prioritizing traffic to your network's most crucial devices, you're looking at a respectable home networking upgrade that is as straightforward and reasonably priced as they come. Although it can't reach a gigabit network's top speeds, it can still consistently reach close range rates of around 700 Mbps, which is more than enough for the majority of homes. Number 3. One of the world's greatest mesh Wi-Fi systems, the Orbi Wi-Fi 6E from Netgear, is also one of the priciest. However, if you're flush with cash, have a gigabit ISP connection, and live in a huge home, this mesh system is probably for you. 9,000 square feet are within the range of the Orbi Wi-Fi 6E. It is possible to reach 12,000 square feet by adding a third satellite. The router was the first mesh router in our tests to achieve throughput of more than a gigabit per second at a distance of 15 feet using its 6 GHz channel. The system provides channels on the 2.5, 5 and 6 GHz bands, as well as a fourth 5 GHz channel for backhaul between units. Each unit has 12 antennas and 4 Ethernet connections, one of which is rated at 2.5 Gbps. Trial versions of Netgear's Armor security software, which incorporates Bitdefender antivirus and parental controls, are available. After 90 days, tech support is also chargeable. You won't mind if you can afford to pay for this mesh system, though. Number 4. For serious gamers, gaming routers offer excellent performance and minimal latency, and it's not unusual to find them going for $300 or even $400. The Asus RTAX86U dual-band router, which costs around $250 or less, isn't cheap either, but compared to other routers, it offers a strong value and offers unbeatable gaming performance. The router's ability to manage latency is most significant. In fact, it has the lowest average latency across all of my testing of any router I've ever tested, gaming or not, which online gamers will undoubtedly appreciate. Another thing you'll like is a great selection of app-based features and settings, including a mobile boost mode that allows you to quickly and easily prioritize gaming traffic to your phone. Aside from its gaming features, the RTAX86U has complete Wi-Fi 6 functionality with robust, consistent speeds and exceptional range. Your home network can become the hub of a mesh network if you require more range by adding other Asus iMesh devices. Number 5. The Linksy Hydra Pro 6 should be at the top of your choice if your network is currently running on a cheap router and you want to switch to something more powerful. It was a superb performer in my speed testing, even managing to surpass flashier selections like the similarly outstanding Asus RTAX86U. It features a dual-band AX5400 design, complete support for Wi-Fi 6, and 160 MHz channel support for transporting data more effectively. The Hydra Pro 6 is one of the more expensive dual-band routers at $280, but its consistently reliable performance sets it apart. If you can, try to purchase it on discount. But if you only need a dependable router with minimal frills that can cope with gigabit speeds, there is no need to search any further. Check out CNET's evaluation of the Linksy Hydra Pro 6. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.